He been over there like fucking 10 times. Bad motherfucker, my boy. So I was shit, like, when they come back, now he's retired, he gotta get another job because they don't pay him.
Yeah.
Fucking horrible, huh? Goes through the land and the rich, bro. Hey, there's nothing free here but napkins. Get the packets of straw, bro.
Yeah. Check it.
Like,
We used to did it, niggas know I'm all up in it.
No, it's all good,
I'm
bro.
fucking with my niggas, yeah, we trippin'. Them niggas got me fucked up if they gon' talk behind my back. They got me fucked up, nigga. I've been going off the yak. Sitting in the back, riding presidential house. They got me fucked up, nigga. If you broke, you gotta go. I'm getting G's, clocking cheddar. Niggas know I'm living better. Hating on me, nigga, right around with the weather. Oh shit, nigga, I'ma switch the flow though. They got me fucked up. I've been smashing in the photo. Ooh, nigga, my game is too crazy. This freestyle from my dome and these bitch niggas can't fade me. Fuck these niggas talk about, bitch, I'm in the hood. Fucking with my Cuddy Isaac from the east, I'm good. Niggas running up, bitch, I slap you like a wood. Got me fucked up, nigga, cheddar chasing niggas good. Nigga, I'm a fool when I step up on this bitch. The realest nigga out the south, better check on me. My brain go crazy, yo bitch, she my lady. She got me fucked up, now she tryna have my baby. Bitch, I done hit it twice, kicked you out my house. Kicked you over the fence, bitch. What you talking about? Damn, nigga. Fuck you throwing dirt up on my name, nigga. Best you put respect up on my game. Nigga, what the fuck these niggas wanna get me though? They got me fucked up, nigga. Catch me in another photo. Posted up, nigga. Yeah, what's up? I'm for sure though. Hit the block, nigga. 14, I was dolo. Solo bolo, nigga. How I really do the dirt. Them niggas got me fucked up, bitch. I be putting in work. What? Who? Who you talking about? Got me fucked up, nigga. God, niggas run up in your house. Damn, I just spit for about 5 minutes strong. Bitches coming in my room getting dick long. What the fuck is going on? Catch me in the zone. I'm the hardest out the zone. That's my nigga Isaac, bitch. I do the dilly for show. He run up to your front crib and like, what you talking about, huh? Niggas know what's up, bro. We ride or die, do or die. Niggas know what's up when they see me flying by. May 28th, I be up out in Texas. Got me fucked up, nigga, smashing in the Lexus. No license, nigga, and I do this shit live. Niggas hating on me, do this shit to survive. Put 5K up on my neck, nigga, bet. Got me fucked up, nigga, run up on my set, you getting wet.